Creativity to me means freedom. Street art for me is my life. I wake up every morning excited that I can go and do new projects and create art and communicate good vibes. I'm creating street art from photos shot from the most unique angles on Galaxy Z Flip4. Then I'm putting all of that together, creating something completely new. It's a great tool. It's like another part of my artistic palette. I like the idea of celebrating urban sports and create a piece of artwork that's come from so many diverse sources and bring it into one cohesive image. I think it was really important to do it in a skate park because obviously that is my creative hub when I'm not in the artist studio. Start with the bottom section and then we start to collage and then we add more pieces and get cracking. I think if you can create poetry in the streets, you can enhance people's experience of the urban environment. It's creating imagery with strong symbolism that other people are going to enjoy as well.